Hi Year 1, happy Friday! Just one more maths lesson left for this week and then we're finished for the weekend and then I'll be able to speak to you again on Monday. So today we're going to be doing some work on using the correct add, subtract or equal sign in the right place. So we've got some pictures and we've got to work out where we want to put our add sign or take away sign or equal sign. So let's have a look which signs we think we're going to use. To start with, I think we should count how many of the objects we've got. So let's have a look at these trees. We've got, count with me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 trees. We don't want to put the number 5 here because we're going to put some signs here. So we're just reminding ourselves that we've got 5 trees. We've got 1 tree, 2 trees, and then let's count how many trees we've got here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 trees. So which signs would work? If we put 5 add 2 equals 7. Let me get rid of this now. This is what I didn't put them on because I didn't want them to confuse us. Okay. Let's see, does 5 add 2 make 7? Let's have a look. 5, 6, 7. So 5 add 2 equals 7. That does work. If we had an equal sign in here and we had 5 take away 2, 5 take away 2 would be 3, so that can't be the right sign. So it's got to be 5 add 2 equals 7. So when you're doing your signs, you've got to check that it works, that it makes sense. Let's have a look at another one. So I've got some ice creams, yummy, strawberry ice cream, my favourite. So we've got 4 ice creams here I can see, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 ice creams here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ice creams here. So which signs do you think we're going to put here? 4, add 4, 4, take away 4, or 4 equals 4. Which one do you think is going to work? That's right, add. 4 add 4 equals 8. Let's have a look at some teddy bears. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's just put there to remind us because there are lots of them. 6 teddy bears, 1 teddy bear, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one's a little bit different because when it's one of our add, you have more at the end. This time we've got 5 and 6. So which sign do you think goes here? Add or subtract? So if I do 6 add 1, let's try that. 6 add 1. Let's work out what 6 add 1 is. 6 add 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 6 add 1 equals, that can't be right because there's only 5 teddy bears. So we know it's not 6 add 1. What sign could it be instead? Let's try the takeaway sign. 6 take away 1. 6 take away 1 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That works, so it must be the takeaway sign. Well done. So this time we're going to use some numbers instead of pictures. We're going to fill in the missing signs. So 4 and 2 equals. Okay. 4 add 2 equals 6. Or we could have 4 add 2, 4 take away 2 equals 2. Either of those would make sense to fill in the missing sign. So both of those ones would work, wouldn't they? Let's have a look at this one. 8 take away 3. Add 5. 8 take away 3. Subtract 5. Or 8 take away 3 equals 5. Which one do you think is correct? That's right, equals sign. Got some bigger numbers now. We're getting better at working with big numbers. So 15 take away 2 equals... What do you think the answer is on this one? 15 take away 2 equals... I'm going to 15, 14, 13. Well done. That one's a number instead of a sign. I've done that one wrong. Sorry, guys. But it doesn't matter. It still helps us with our adding. 12 equals 10 and then 2. Do I want to use an add? Do I want to use a subtract? Or is it going to be an equal sign? Which one do you think is going to make sense over here? 12 equals 10. What's 10 add 2? 10 add 2 equals 12. So 12 equals 10 add 2 because it's the same on both sides. 12, 12. It's the same on both sides. So this time we're going to turn these pictures into our own number sentences. So I'm going to count how many in each part to make the number sentence. So how many cars? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. 3 cars. Add 1, 2, 2 cars equals how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 add 2 equals 5. So that's our number sentence. Let's have a look at our ladybirds. How many ladybirds do we have here? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ladybirds. That's going to be our first number. And then we're going to subtract 1 ladybird because the subtract sign's already there for us. Equals, let's count how many ladybirds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 take away 1 equals 6. Great work, year 1. Today I'd like you to complete pages 25 and 26 from your workbooks. Fantastic. And our shout outs for today are Silas. Hi Silas, I hope you're having a nice day at home. And Jasmine. Keep up all the good work, Jasmine. I know that you're trying your very best with everything. Great work. And Jack Andrew. I've seen so much of your work this week. Well done. Keep trying really hard for Mummy. Have a super weekend, everybody. Goodbye.